One of my last video, I was tell you guys that if it possible, I will make a video at my college. And finally today I got the chance to make a video, and finally I am making a video. Okay, so hello and welcome to all of you guys. Those are watching my video. I hope that you all are passing a good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. So right now, as you can see, I'm here at my college. The name of my college, Narayanganj University College. You may know this name because I tell you this name several times in my previous videos, and today I came to my college and I already finished my college, and now it's time to go home, but without going home I am staying at the college in order to make this video. Okay, so if I tell something about my college, the college name is, as you know, Narayanganj University College. It's located near the Shitolokha River, and it's a private college, so you have to be pay some money after end of the month. Okay, so yeah, so that's why it's very, not everyone able to study in this college because you need a lot of money to study here. Okay, so as you can see, I'm at the second floor, and the building that I'm standing right now, the name of this building is Sheikh Kamal Bhavan. There are also two buildings available in this college, and the one is academic building and the other one is ICT Bhavan. Okay, so but most of the students doing their classes in this Sheikh Kamal Bhavan. Okay, as you can see, it's a big building. I'm standing at the balcony of this building. Okay, and you, if you study in this college, you will get so many facilities. You will get computer lab. You will get, so we have AC on our classes. So yeah, it's very good facilities we get in this college. Okay, so yeah, that's the point. When I last time making a video, it was in Lakeside. On that time, I was tell you guys that if it possible, I will make a video at my college. But it hadn't possible before because all the time when our classes are going on, all the time the sir are roaming at the balcony of the building, so I could not able to make video before, but today I got the opportunity and I am making this video. So okay, but in my videos I'm making some mistake, but I hope that it's normal. Everyone make mistake, and mistakes are normal, mistakes are necessary. So if I make any mistake in this video, forgive me, because I'm still learning English. I'm not fluent. I'm just, I always try to make videos. And okay, so after coming to our college, when I was on the way to my college, then I thought I will make a video, and finally I'm making it. Okay, so yeah, that's our college. As you can see in my behind, if I show you, there is a small field. You may look this. Yeah, there are so many trees as well. Okay, so yeah, it's a sixth floor building, and I'm walking on the balcony. Everyone left the college, no one stayed at the college, but I'm staying at the college in order to make video. Okay, so yeah, nothing to say. My year final exam will be start on 20 June. So that is why now I'm coming college regularly, try to get some suggestions so that I can pass in every subject in my year final exam. Okay, so as I mentioned you, if I make any mistake, forgive me. I'm not fluent. I'm still learning. So making mistakes is normal. Without making mistakes, I can't learn the proper, right things. So it's normal if I make any mistake. I don't make so many big mistakes. I'm making some silly mistakes, but I think it will be okay. I think for this practice is must. Keep practicing. Without practice, you can't be perfect. There is a proof that practice makes a man perfect. So that is why you need to practice more, learn more. So if you practice regularly, then you will able to improve yourself. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.